Hello everyone, welcome to another video with information technology, and in today's video we are going to review a new website that lets you mine Bitcoin. This website is called BTC Zone.cc. This is their homepage, and when you first sign up it will give you 1000 gigahertz hash rate on the sign up, and if you invite more friends you will get 2 gigahertz plus 5 satoshis for every new referral. And when we scroll down you can see that it already has 28,614 members and more than 100 total deposits, and it's been 20 days that this website has been online. So it looks like a very new website, and we have the chance to get in early and earn more. And when we come down we can see why choose BTC Zone. The first one, expert management. We have registered company, it's secure investment, verified security, instant withdrawal, and you have bonuses. And when we scroll down more we can see how it works. So the first thing, we need to register and log in, and then the second thing, we can get free bonus of 1000 gigahertz rate. We can also invite our friends and get extra hash rates plus 5 satoshis for each referral, and then we also have hourly bonus, so get a free 1 gigahertz rate each hour. That looks amazing to me. And coming down you can see last deposit and withdrawals. Here you can see that this guy has deposited some bitcoins on the 22 of February, and then here is the second one, some other person has deposited some TRX. And now let's go to the withdrawal sections. Here you can see that this guy has withdrawn on the 22 of February at 11:56, and then we have another one by the name of Mohammed 9705. He has also withdrawn some bitcoins on the 28th, and then there is another person who has also withdrawn some bitcoins from this website. So overall, looking at this, so far it looks like a legit website. And then in here you can see about referral bonus level. If you are at level 1 you get an instant 10% bonus reward, and for every new referral you get 2 gigahertz of hash rate bonus reward, and then for every new referral you also get 5 satoshis bonus reward. And then coming down here you can also see some of the questions and answer. I will let you discover that by yourself. If you would like, you can go through these questions and answer for yourself and make the decision yourself whether this website is a legit one or not. And I encourage you to start mining on this website because it looks like a legit one, and even if it's not a legit website you don't have to lose anything, you don't have to invest, and the only thing you need to do is just log into the website and then check in regularly or on daily basis or even per week. And if you want more rewards you can come and on hourly basis just get your hourly reward, and also invite your friend to get more hashing rate. I will make sure to put the link down in the video description box for you, so if you would like to start, and you can just click on this link and get started. When you click on the link down in the video descriptions it will take you to this website. Now here click on the sign up button. On this page provide your username, your Bitcoin address or your Bitcoin wallet address, and then your email address and a password, and then confirm your password. Once you do that, click on the sign up button. You also need to solve this captcha where it says I'm human, so just click on it and then solve the captcha. Once you do that, click on the sign up button. Since I have already signed up on this website, so I'm going to click on the login button, and once I'm here I'm going to provide my Bitcoin address and then my password, and I will click on I'm human. Once I solve the captcha I will click on the login button. When you log in it will take you to this page. That's gonna be your dashboard. Here as you can see they have started a new project and it gives you 500 gigahertz hash for the Tron mining. Then it says click here. I have already made a video on that, so if you would like to watch that video I'm gonna put the link down in the video description for you. So here on this page you can see your main balance and active hash rate. My active hash rate is 1229 gigahertz, and then you can see your daily earning, and then down here you can see your referral link that you can share with your friends. The second button here is add funds. So here you can add some bitcoins, litecoins, and all other types of currency to improve or to increase. And we have fund history. Let's click on that. Here you can see the history for your fund which you have added. So here I have only added one time. It was on the 20th of February. And in the fourth button here is the payout. Here you can come and get paid. So the minimum is 10,000 satoshis, and also you need to have at least 2000 gigahertz of a hashing rate to be able to withdraw your earnings. Then we have the payment history. So far I have not received any funding from the website, but once I have 200 hashing rates I will be able to withdraw my earning in Bitcoin. And now let's click on the affiliate tab. Here you will see the total number of referrals you have, total referral commissions, and then total referral bonus, but so far I have 0. And then down here you can see the referral link. You can share this link with your friends and get extra referral bonus. And then the last thing we have is the hourly bonus. So every hour you can come here and click on the claim bonus and then get 1 gigahertz of hashing rate for free. So if you are active in 24 hours you can get 24 gigahertz of hashing for free, and that is quite amazing for me. So this is all I have for you in this video. In this video I review this new website called BTC Zone. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Also, if you would like to start earning bitcoins like I do, then make sure you click on the link down in the video description box and start up. So till next video, it's goodbye.